For the experiential learning opportunities, the professors that have actual experience in the field, and the global perspective that other students bring to IUM. The professors that come from their actual experience in the field, as well as the many learning opportunities that Monaco has. Getting to see all of the things that we learn in the classroom in real life application around Monaco, as well as learning from people that know it firsthand. Everything around Monaco just really helps the student life be stronger, the life around Monaco, as well as the people in it, bring everything that we learn to life in a wonderful way. Getting to learn about different jobs around Monaco give other influence into what I want to do after my education in Monaco, and just overall, everything Monaco brings to the table has helped me go forward stronger. As of right now, I'm looking and considering luxury healthcare and luxury wellness, so essentially the life longevity and going into the medical health care field within the luxury sector. I would say watch the informational videos, research the school, and try and meet with as many people in the field as possible that you're looking into, as well as just exploring the IUM website.